race condition. So already we have seen that in RS flip-flop, R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1 for the input is invalid condition, because the condition of output Q is equal to 0 or Q is equal to 1 remains uncertain. That means the output, it may be any one out of them, and which is we cannot say our flip-flop in set condition or reset condition. In JK flip-flop, the feedbacks are taken out from the outputs and which is applied input to this AND gate, which can eliminate the unvalid condition which is occurs in RS flip-flop. So in JK flip-flop, when J and K both are at one levels, the output of this flip-flop is toggled at each and every input clock signals. That means the Qn is equal to 1, then Qn 1 n plus 1 is equal to 0. And if the Qn is equal to 0, so then Qn plus 1 is equal to 1. But here there is a one problem. So if suppose Tp is the pulse width of clock input and delta T is the propagation delay of the gate. Now if the J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 1 in JK flip-flops, and initially our flip-flop in reset condition, that means Q is equal to 0, and the input clock pulse whose pulse width is Tp is applied to this JK flip-flop, the output of this flip-flops is unchanged. Qn plus is equal to 1 after delta T time interval. Now this output signal, it is taken as a feedback and it is given to the AND gate. So due to this, whatever your output is changes, this changes is available at the AND gate, which will change the state of this JK flip-flop. That means our new output Q is equal to 0 after delta T time. So you can say that during this Tp pulse width clock signal, the output of this JK flip-flop is oscillated between Q is equal to 0 and Qn plus is equal to 1. Now when the clock signal goes at 0 level, the output of this JK flip-flop is uncertain. That means it may be set condition or it may be in reset condition. That means Q is equal to 0 is also happen, and Q is equal to 1 it is also happen. Now this condition is known as a race condition or race around condition. Now this race around condition can be eliminated by using following method. First, the clock pulse should be less than the propagation delay. That is the one way which we can eliminate this race condition. In second case, the delay line is connected in series with the feedback connection. Third, each trigger flip-flop is used instead of level trigger JK flip-flop. And fourth, JK master slave flip-flop type flip-flop is used. So out of four, this JK master slave is most effective to eliminate this race